In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to find people on PS4 to play Fortnite with. So what you're going to want to do is go ahead and hop on your PS4, and once on there, go to your Fortnite tile. And once you do that, press down on your controller, and we're going to go down to Friends and Communities. And once here, we're going to go down to the Communities part, and I'm going to go ahead and click View All. So these communities are basically groups on PS4 of people that play Fortnite. And as you can see, there's quite a few of them that have like 100,000 members. I'm in this specific community, although you can join any one of these. I'd recommend joining one that has a crazy amount of people, like these ones that have 100,000, and I'll tell you why. When we go in this community and we look at the community wall, it's going to be a bunch of people looking for people to play with. So by looking through here, you can simply add somebody or send them a message saying, hey, I would like to play with you. Like this guy, I shoot too much, need one for squads. I can hit him up right now and say, hey, I'm ready to play some squads. Or if you're looking for people to play with or people to join your squad, you can simply add a post to the community wall. And I promise you, within minutes, you'll be getting people messaging you and adding you to play. I really hope you guys start using these communities on PS4. It's a great way to find people to play with. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to leave a like. If you want to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe. Thank you for watching.